Today we're diving into the Alesis Melody 61 MK4, a beginner-friendly 61-key keyboard bundle that promises to kickstart your musical journey without breaking the bank. It comes complete with built-in speakers, an adjustable stand, bench, headphones, tablet music stand, and even music lessons, everything you need to start playing right out of the box. Key features and specifications. The Melody 61 MK4 sports 61 full-size piano-style keys and powerful built-in stereo speakers to fill your room with sound. You'll get 300 built-in instrument voices covering pianos, SYTHs, brass, and more, plus 300 accompaniment rhythms and 30 demo songs to spark your creativity. Layer the sounds in dual mode or split the keyboard for duets, and use the handy record function and metronome to track your progress. Connectivity includes a headphone jack that mutes the speakers, an aux input for backing tracks, a sustain pedal input, and USB MIDI for hooking up to your favorite music software you buy Barbados Alesis. Price. Right now, this all-in-one starter set is priced at just $114.99 with free returns and fast shipping. An unbeatable deal given the accessories and features included. Pros and cons. On the plus side, the Melody 61 MK4 delivers a turnkey setup that's perfect for beginners. The bundle covers every accessory, and sound library is impressively diverse. It's lightweight, around 6.6 pounds, and portable too. On the downside, the keys are unweighted and can feel a bit springy compared to real piano action, and the included bench and stand, while functional, aren't the sturdiest. Once you start playing with confidence, you buy Barbados. Customer review summary. With over 30,600 ratings averaging 4.6 out of 5 stars, users rave about how easy it is to set up and start playing immediately. Beginners love the lessons and rhythms, and many praise the value of getting so many accessories in one package. A minority mention that the plastic build feels lightweight and that the bench can wobble under heavier users, but most agree it's an excellent entry-level instrument. Should you buy it or not? If you're looking for an affordable, no-hassle way to learn piano, the Alesis Melody 61 MK4 bundle is a fantastic choice. It covers all the basics, sounds, accessories, and tutorials in one neat package. However, if you crave fully weighted keys or professional-grade hardware, you might consider stepping up to a more advanced model down the road. For beginners, though, this bundle really checks all the right boxes.